Welcome, class, to another magnificent day of discovery. Today, we will unlock the secrets of the universe. I hope you are all as ready as I am.
Dr. Boo, why is the rainbow curved?
You're about to stand inside a rainbow.
Inside it?
Hold your breath. We're going into a raindrop. A rainbow is actually a full circle of light, but the ground hides the bottom half from our view, leaving just the arch.
Wow, that is amazing!